Today we have the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control. Moving on to our screen, on the left we can access our radio and media. On the right we have map, navigation, our Apple CarPlay and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our mode button we can switch to sport mode.